Like if you want, when you arrive at the event, they say, Madam, come and sit down. Hey, now that's the look I'm talking about. Hello family, bonjour la famille. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's episode. Woo! Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed, and if you have forgotten to subscribe, kindly subscribe. It's absolutely free, and subscribe once and you become part of the family. So today we are doing signature look. What is a signature look? For me, a signature look, it's that look that you do to impress. So let's get into my signature look. The first thing that you want to do is to moisturize. I'm using vitamin C serum. You don't have to use a serum at all. You can use anything that you have. And I've already done my brows because brows have drama. Like brow nearly drama that like they will take long unnecessarily, especially when you are shooting. Like I can say with a brow again, guys, but for me, signature look is that look that suits you the most. It's that look that you can do for yourself and you can quickly do it. You know, when you are in rush, you can achieve that look. So you don't need too much complication. You don't need too much products. You don't need too much techniques to do that look. I'm going to just clean my brows. I just take my clean brush just to blend the concealer. Yeah. Next, I'm just taking my Ushers pressed powder just to set my concealer a little bit. I don't need much. Just a little bit of it, you know, just a little bit to mattify the concealer. When it comes to products, guys, I want to use products that I can use like for eyeshadow, for contouring, like I can multi-use. You understand? I'm using this Fit Me Maybelline. Oh, what happened? What did I break? I use it as an eyeshadow. It's very quick, guys, and I also use it as a contour. Also, when I do my eyeshadow, I love going nude or brown like this. Is this nude or brown? Yeah, I don't like using colors because colors are very tricky. So with a signature look, you want a look that can fit in any outfit. Either the outfit is brighter or darker, you know, minimal, or whichever outfit you're gonna wear, it shouldn't clash with your makeup shouldn't clash with it. The next thing that I do is to take my bronzer. This bronzer, guys, I love it so much. To bring the glow here in the corner of my eye. I'm going to line my eye. I'm using this Gulf Flower eyeliner. Got it from a Chinese beauty store. The next thing, I am going to clean my eye makeup with the concealer. The next step is to do underpainting technique. So with this technique, you basically apply concealers before foundation. So you can go in like this with your concealer. I actually saw this strategy of underpainting from Nina Ubi. She's a big makeup tutorialist. So this is what we have. To go in with a setting spray. Yeah, because concealer dries out quickly. Go in with my brush. Very clean brush, and then I start blending. though, because I still blend it at the end. So when you've done your face like this, you have like the contour and the concealer, lighter concealer. You want to make sure that you blend the lighter concealer first, so that you do not mess up your brush, unless you don't mind using lots of brush. Guys, of late I am enjoying shooting my content because we're no longer having some load sheddings, you know. Next, I'm going to blend the contour. So now that we're done with the concealer, I'm going to use my Colors Pore Perfecting Foundation. Guys, Colors, what's happening? Why are you not bringing back this foundation? Why are you not doing that? Because of late, I'm realizing that you guys are no longer doing like what you used to do. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our foundation on top. They're no longer the same, you understand? They're giving, I don't know. I need new brushes. Hey. I need everything. At this moment, I need everything. And I wanted to go to, I don't know if I'll still go, to Yardley or Meg Masterclass, the one that's gonna be in 4 ways, with the hope that they will have some good giveaways, you understand? Because they said there are gifts and giveaways. I want to go there because I know I'm definitely gonna come with the foundation. It's only $250 to attend that masterclass. I love contouring my nose, but not all the way down. Like, I love contouring, but when it comes to my nose, I just wanna like do it just here, you understand, just here. Next thing that I want to do is to blend my makeup, because there's too much harsh lines, you know, here, all the harsh lines. So just frame this. Let's give it some paste, sponges in. Now I am going to reinforce my contour with Fit Me Maybelline, the one I was using for my eyeshadow, to reinforce my contour. I love this powder, guys. Like, I love this powder so much. So I love a bronzed look. I love looking a little bit like a cookie, you know, or brownie. Next, I am going to set my makeup. I'm using Usha's pressed powder and this sponge. So you set your makeup with your pressed powder, then you come in to bake. Don't go straight with baking. I tried that so many times, it didn't work. But after I tried this technique of setting my makeup with a pressed powder first, before I use a loose powder, it actually worked for me. You don't need to put too much, just a little to set your makeup. Next, I'm taking my banana powder. So this banana powder. For me, I feel like it's too yellow. While my makeup is still setting nicely, let me just uplift my lashes. Oof! This thing is squeezing me so much. Next, I'm doing my lips. I'm using this lip liner. I got it from Halo. I'm gonna take a brush and just add my lip gloss. This lip gloss, guys, keep us like this lip gloss can take the whole day with your lips well moisturized. We're taking our brush just to sweep away the powders. Why will I make Next, I take my bronzer with my brush, round brush, any brush that you have. If you don't have this brushes, it can work for you guys. I like to like flow a little bit, you know, because I don't even use any blush, so just to add some character to your cheeks. Like, go in to make your nose shine a little bit here at the bridge of your nose. Look at that. Do not forget to at least puff your neck a little bit. You don't have to add any product, just the brush that you are using to pull down the product so that there's no like your neck is lighter or darker and your face is different. Then the final step that I love doing is to take my fixing spray. I also reviewed this one, guys. I'm just using a wig cap fan. And just like that, guys, we are done. Here is my signature look. I love this look, guys. This is what I would go for if I want to slap. And I also love the hairstyle. It's my first time actually doing this hairstyle, but I love my makeup. What do you think? What is your opinion? And what's your signature look? What are the products that you use when you apply or when you do your signature look? Okay guys, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that anytime I upload the video, you are the first one to know. I love you so much and bye.